Hey guys, everybody. This is Disney Megaforce Ultimate here, and today we're doing a reaction. It's called the movie Birds of Prey, but it's a trailer. And then today I'm gonna look in the trailer. I pressed it and because the movie is about this that released that I can't wait to see it, but I'm just waiting for it coming up because it might come up next year in 2020. So so everything it's gonna be fine. So yeah, that was great. And remember I've been about video about yesterday. It was pretty terrifying, scary about it, and it was creepy Halloween stuff inside the stores called Halloween Spirit. So yeah, and after that, it was pretty creepy with the new animatronics. New ones, it was pretty terrifying and way fear like that. And the Pennywise and Joker, the public clowns in the movie this year, to in 2019. And so yeah, and then now further ado is it's called the reaction of Birds of Prey. So let's do it.
You know what a harlequin is? A harlequin's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. And no one gives two shits who we are beyond that.
Oh, Harley Quinn. That's one of my friends' favorite.
Joker and I broke up.
Oh,
I wanted a
so
fresh
Joker,
start.
she broke up with
Turns
him.
out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for
Maybe
emancipation.
no longer with that falling out with Joker. It's like in the middle of a Suicide Squad.
Miss Quinn, she belongs to me.
Who are you guys?
Okay, interesting. Maybe those are people they're trying to find or something. Whoa, it looks differently.
He's after all of us now. None of us are
Cool
walking
looking
out of
outfit.
here
The new.
unless we work together.
You gotta be kidding me.
Isn't this fun? It's just like a sleepover. We should order pizza. Big Cosmos. Harley.
She was shooting her like
One
Sonic,
they should be
but she's still
scared of.
bad though.
Not
Very
you.
bad. Okay.
Not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies.
That's okay.
You're that psycho chick. I never call a woman chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on occasion bitch. Bitch? What are you talking about? For me, will you?
February 2020. Oh, that's the reaction to that trailer. Wow, that trailer is yeah, it's going. This is gonna be very crazy, but I'm still very excited about this one. It might take for like 3 months, so so it's next year. And thank you for so much watching for about the that is it. That is all the like about the reaction of Birds of Prey right now today. And I'll see you next time with that video. And subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram if you want to. And I'll see you in the next reaction video. Bye.